everyone, Caroline here. I've been noticing something that I just wanted to share with you just to see if I'm the only one who's been seeing this or not. So I've been noticing that sometimes when I walk into a room, I notice that things are appearing very dystopian. You know what I mean? I'd be in one room and it looks so alive and the colors are vibrant. And when I look out the window, it's dark green or just rich green and blues and whites and reds and everything is popping. And then when I'd walk into another room, the colors would appear very dystopian and gray and like in one of those movies where it's like apocalyptic and whatnot, and I'd be like, what is happening here? And I'd notice that my energy would just shift and change and become really constricted and contracted and very limiting when I noticed or walked into that kind of experience. And I'm just like, what's happening? And I've been trying to explain this to some people that I know, and because I'm wondering, why is it that when I'm on this side of the house or this side of a room or this side of the space or with certain people, the energy is vibrant. And then when I walk into a certain experience or a certain room or I see certain people, the color changes. Like I'm noticing things visually with my eyes about how bright certain rooms are and how dull and gray certain people are. And it's just almost like this hazy, gray, dull, metallic, I can't even explain that kind of look. You know what I mean? But I kind of know that it has changed from one to the other. Have you noticed those kinds of things? It's really, really fascinating for me. When you're with people and then suddenly you begin to see colors change, colors dim, faces dim. And there's just this, I don't know, I'm like, who is this person that I'm looking at? It's so strange because you're like, okay, this person, I know this person is like this, but why is this person turning dystopian right in front of my very face? So I'm just wondering, is anyone else seeing things like this? Like you see people in different colors, different shades, and they're not vibrant colors. They're not, what does this mean? I'm seeing it. That's why I'm sharing. Because we have to share our experiences. Maybe other people are seeing the same thing too, And it's like, okay, is this normal? Or is this the new normal? Or should I be expecting this to be happening? What is this? Things are going on that are just so interesting, but we must get used to it because it's the new way things are. Maybe our eyes are now different. My eyes are seeing some things are bright, some things are dull, some things are dystopian. There are these distinctions that I have to make and I have to deal with it and accept what the message is revealing about that situation or that person or that energy or whatnot. And it's not good or bad. It's just for us to be aware to help us to walk this path that we're walking, in a much more, I guess, awesome way, as opposed to just kind of walking through things blindly. And I'm just so appreciative of this because now when all this information is coming to us and we accept this information, it's helping us navigate the circumstances of life so much easier than those days where you kind of have to depend on someone else to kind of help you navigate. Is this good for me or bad for me or whatnot? Or in those days where you would listen to your spirit but you'd not really be sure. Now these things are right there. The physical is taking over. Like our physical senses are becoming so alive, so active, so precise in helping us distinguish things. I can't have an excuse. Once I've been shown certain things about how things appear, it is what it is. Can I help it? No, it is what it is. I've been shown. So it's up to me now to kind of figure out how to stay in this truth or how to walk in it. I find it perfectly awesome at this point. Are you guys experiencing anything like this? Your physical eyes seeing things in different colors? Is it like a dimensional shift? Is it like, okay, now we're bringing in this light and now we're operating as these humans on this plane, having different experiences that are now much more evidently awesome? Are you experiencing this? Let me know. And until next time, keep shining. We are living in awesome times. I love you. Bye.